Trevor Noah explains the real reason Trump's Arpaio pardon should worry you. Donald Trump's decision to pardon Joe Arpaio has already ignited plenty of controversy, not least because many have taken it as the president encouraging law enforcement to break the law. As Trevor Noah put it on The Daily Show Monday night, Trump has been president for 7 months, and like a teenage boy with a locked bedroom door, he has been exploring his new powers. And this weekend, Trump confirmed that he can get someone off all by himself. Noah is one of the few hosts currently airing new episodes right now. Most are on vacation. Still, he met the challenge of addressing Arpaio with aplomb, dedicating a large portion of his show to discussing the pardon and its implications. He started by dedicating a profile in tremendousness to explaining Arpaio's offenses and what Trump's pardon means. As Noah warned, there might actually be a darker motivation at play, and it has everything to do with Robert Mueller's Russia investigation. Noah worked his way through several news clips that outlined Arpaio's various heinous acts, making inmates stay in canvas tents in triple-digit heat, shackling women to bed as they gave birth, cordoning off Latino inmates with electric fencing, overseeing prisoners who died at an alarming rate, often with no explanation. But as Noah noted, Arpaio's abuses of power didn't just hurt the inmates at his prisons. They also hurt the taxpayers who had to foot the bill. Between 1993 and 2015, Arpaio and his office racked up $142 million in legal fees, settlements, and compliance costs. Somehow, none of that is what got Arpaio in trouble with the law. His contempt of court conviction came because he refused to comply with a court order to cease randomly stopping people who looked Latino for the sole purpose of determining their immigration status. Now, contempt of court might not seem like a big deal or something to get excited about, Noah said. But this wasn't some night in jail offense. This was a federal court ruling that Sheriff Arpaio was routinely violating Americans' constitutional rights, and ordered him to stop immediately. And he was basically like, I don't care. I'll spend the night in jail. Then he got to the real meat of the argument. Remember how the 3 branches of government are supposed to be equal? Well, convicting someone of contempt is the one and only way the judicial branch can put muscle behind its decisions. So when the President of the United States steps in and pardons someone's contempt conviction, he is essentially rendering the courts powerless. That could have very bad implications for Mueller's investigation, Noah said. What if Trump simply decides to pardon officials within his cabinet who are convicted? In Arpaio's case, Trump didn't even wait for him to be sentenced before issuing a pardon. As Vanity Fair's Emma Stefanski noted this weekend, that means that Trump's colleagues could simply decide not to cooperate or testify in Mueller's investigation under the assurance that Trump would pardon them anyway. And even Noah may find that outcome difficult to joke about.